At least 52 people were killed and more than 130 were injured after a blast in Pakistan's Balochistan province this afternoon. A deputy superintendent of police is also among those killed in the blast. The heavy explosion took place near a mosque in Balochistan Mastung district, where people were gathering to mark the birth anniversary of Prophet Muhammad. Mastung Assistant Commissioner 𝐓𝐖𝐈𝐍 termed the explosion as mashup. According to the district administration, Mastung's DSP Nawaz Kaskori is among the victims. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast. The Pakistani Taliban (TTP) denied their involvement in a statement. This was the second major blast in the Mastung district in September. Earlier this month, a blast injured several people, including Jamiat Ulema-e-Islam Fajal (JUIF) leader Hafiz Hamdullah. On the other hand, within hours of a suicide blast, Pakistan was rocked by another blast at a mosque in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province during the Friday prayers. At least 4 people have been killed in the explosion at the mosque in Hangu district. Police said they believed it to be a suicide blast. The blast occurred during the Juma prayers. According to Dawn, 2 explosions occurred at the Dauba police station in Hangu, resulting in at least 4 deaths, including a police officer, and injuring 12 people. The first blast occurred at the station's entrance, drawing a crowd to the scene. Shortly after, a second blast erupted inside a mosque within the police station premises during Friday's sermon. The roof of the mosque caved in due to the impact of the explosion. Hangu District Police Officer Nisar Ahmad was quoted as saying in a report in the Dawn newspaper.